Our research and design project has started since 2015 to create knockdown cargo box under brand Cube Ryder, with high quality for use in all business purposes. Our research project has been supported by the National Innovation Agency (NIA) and performance testing from Thailand Automotive Institute, which considered as a starting point for the creation of innovative cargo box that are truly effective in the market. Cube Ryder cargo box products were designed in knockdown concepts, which are dry box, refrigerated box, controlled temperature box, and other special modifications to support all applications and meet the various needs of customers perfectly. Our knockdown cargo box products can be loaded into containers and exported, which helps save transportation costs. For a 20 feet container can contain 3 sets, and a 40 feet container can contain 6 to 7 sets. To assemble our knockdown cargo box takes about 2 hours with only 3 staffs. And normal assembly tools which easily to purchase at general hardware stores. Simple assembly process with caulking and riveting, with quality and safety control. The wire harness system designed not to connect directly to the car engine in order to prevent accidents. All screws adhesion are concern and control in every key points. All metal materials have no sharp edge and safe for use. We had a strictly quality control before delivered to our clients. More information, please contact call +66 082 556 1497 or www.cuberyder.com.